This is the side of my house. This is where I parked the trailer, and this is the first thing we're gonna repair today, is this flat tire. Here's the situation on the hole in the tire. There's a screw in there. I'm leaving it in there. I do have my tire repair kit on the floor over there, and I just got to get moving. Check my camera. I always check the camera. Okay, that's the pins in, that's plugged, that's hooked. Okay. It's getting crazy out there. They had to shut down a whole bunch of Targets because they were getting looted. Apparently most of the items to be installed or replaced are at the house. We have arrived on the scene. I'm just going to give you an idea of what I'm supposed to do today. Fix closer on front screen door. Didn't tell me which unit. This is a duplex, and you guys should know what this is. I'll show you here in a second. North bedroom blind. Guess we have to install blinds in a north bedroom. Install window AC units. Replace front door sweep. Change washer hoses. May need new valves. Fix gate latches. The blind is at my house. I'll put it on the back porch. So that means I got to go to this guy's house. He doesn't live too far away. The washer hoses, front door sweep, and AC units are at the duplex. If you have time after that, there's an outdoor light at another rental house that is having issues. So this is the massive duplex that I did all the soffit and fascia on. Let's go take a look, see how it's looking. Oh, looks still looking good, looking all sealed up. So I removed and replaced all this soffit fascia. You can't really see because it's covered by gutters. Had to take all the old gutters off. That was a really good job for me. I think I made 10 grand off this. It was the only thing I did that entire month. Okay, so I've got a note here telling me about their cat that likes to escape through windows. It's not good because I'm here to install a bunch of window AC units. It's been a year since I've been in this house, but I remodeled this kitchen a long time ago. Actually did the kitchen in the other unit too. This was just a quick, real quick remodel. Off the shelf Home Depot appliances and countertops. That's about it. I think the floor is original. I'm not sure about this backsplash. What did I do with this backsplash? Not sure. It's been probably 5-6 years since I put these cabinets in. But these are the rooms. I think an air conditioning unit goes in this window. It's been a year since I've been here. And an air conditioner goes in this window. And I think I have to replace these blinds because they're broken, but they're going to have to be left completely up to cover, you know, because there's going to be a giant air conditioner there. I don't know, but they have an air conditioner right there. Okay, the next item is this door sweep. I just got off the phone with him, and he said to replace the door sweep. And I said, well, it's just bent a little. He said, just replace it. So we have an exact replacement, and I'll obviously trim the ends. But this is the issue. I could just throw a screw right here, and it would be fine. As you can see, it seals up nice and tight. But since someone went through the time to actually buy this, deliver it here, I'll put this on. The next item is this doorknob. They originally thought it was this closer. The closer seems to work fine, but if you look, this something's goofed up with this. There's no lock on the bottom, so it's just a, you know, bedroom one. I'll take the knob off and see if I can get this thing figured out. The worst part is installing these window unit air conditioners. I do it every year. This is probably my 4th year doing it. I do not like it. They're super heavy, they're awkward, but just gonna do it and get it over with. One other item, the gate to the alley. They need this to latch. So you can see they had the little catch there welded, but it broke off. So unless I bring my welder over, and weld on a new one. There really isn't an easy solution. I'll check the gate latch aisle in Home Depot, see if they have something that clamps on here. But most likely I'll have to grind this off and weld on a new one. Right there. Okay, the next item on the list is to replace these, and dang, that looks messed up. Hopefully that's just outside. I'm just gonna put some WD-40 on there. These are gate valves. Who knows if they shut off. I'm not about wanting to replace these, so I'll try to get them to shut off. If not, I'll shut the water off to the house to replace these. They seem like they shut down, that none of the packing's leaking. So I'm gonna just let this sit here for a little bit. I'm not sure if that's really gonna do anything, but it's better than not doing anything and just getting the slip joint pliers on there. So the window unit air conditioners are in. This one's in, no problem. So that's a very expensive multifamily. That's what you call that right there. This one here is the one it's my nemesis. I hate doing it. It weighs like 175 pounds, 200 pounds. It's kind of neat. They have the stucco over brick. Keep in mind, that is not an antique house. That is a scrape. They scraped that house and built this building. You can actually see all the way through to the parking lot on the other side. It's interesting, the arched windows, tile roof, the exposed brick with stucco over it, making it look like it's an old mansion home. It literally looks like I just got done painting it. So I painted everything too, caulked, went back for the touch-ups, put in all the soffit vents. A lot of people that watched the first part of this video series were like, oh my god, you don't have enough soffit vents. It's a ghetto bird. So I did go through how to calculate how much soffit vent area and roof vent area you need. So there's one there, one here, one here, one right there. There's probably a bunch down here. There's two down this section. One there, one there. Okay, I got the big daddies out for these one. And the K is pronounced. It is Knipex. There's a whole video on how to figure out how to pronounce this thing. All right, let me make sure I turn these the right way. This one little project here could end up costing me 2 hours in time to go get a whole replacement antique shutoff. Having to get in the crawl space, shut the water off to the house. Oh, God. All right, just do it. Get in there. Ugh. Yeah, the furnace is down here. And I used to be the guy to come replace all the filters. I don't know who he's got doing it now. But, yes, YouTube has definitely made me soft. Yeah, I'll admit it. Oh, oh, hey, there's an N95 mask right there. Should clean that off. Reuse it. It's sandy over here. I'm at the freaking beach. All right. Here's the main water shut off to, I think, both units. Wow. So it comes up from the ground there. There's a union right there. Kind of have a leaky. Okay, I just noticed we got some other water shut-offs. This one probably goes to a sprinkler system, this one probably goes to a hose bib, and this one here might go to the other unit. I'm gonna follow this pipe down. One of them is galvanized, one is copper. Hopefully I can just shut this off, and that would definitely secure the water off. These are brand new ball valves. So right here is the hot and the cold, and probably the electric for the dryer. That goes to the washer, that hot and cold there. Coming back through here, we've got another shut off. This one might go to a hose bib in the front. And this one, it goes up to the water heater. Oh, wait a minute, where the hell am I? That goes to the bathroom. Water heater's over there. So hot's coming off that. I think I might get luck with this copper pipe here. I think so. There we go. All right. So right now I'm about to leave, but I got all these behind me wanting to take my parking spot. So I'm hanging for a few minutes until they... I'm losing my parking spot. There's no way around it. Got to go to the guy's house, get the mini blinds, go to the depot, get a replacement water shutoff. I'm going to try to get an exact replica of this. You can see I got this out on the concrete and started cranking on it, trying to get this off. I thought maybe with a little bit better leverage and angle, I could just crack it loose, clean it up with a wire brush, pop it back in, and then I'll be done, but that's not the case. Here's a replacement. It's like an exact replacement. Alright, heading back to the crawl space. Going to keep these off till I come back up. When I come back up, I'll turn them on slowly, test for leaks. I still got some water on the floor I got to wipe up. Alright, I'm done for the day. I probably could squeeze out a little bit more. He gave me another address where there's a motion light that isn't working. I can make another trip to Home Depot and get some other parts and head back. But how did the day wrap up? The blinds right here didn't fit. So he said, package them all up and take them back to my house. And I'll have to send them back, get some new ones. So when those come in, I'll probably get called to install them. And I will fix a few other odds and ends there. Those chain link gates, didn't do anything with them because I don't have my welder on me and, you know, things like that. But that might be an interesting job to put on the main YouTube channel. Is, you know, what do they call that? Cobble fabrication? Cobble fab? I'm going to cobble fab some latches to those chain link fences and those stucco and brick walls. But they're rioting right now. Right now they're rioting 2 miles that way, and my most direct path home goes like right through the riots. So I'm gonna have to oh no, there we go, we're good. Oop, there's the launch pad. Pulling out. So I'm gonna take the long way home, take the bypasses to get home. Messing up my route home. The most common question is, how much are you going to charge? How much are you going to charge? How long did it take you? So it's 3 o'clock. I left my house at 11. So that's 4 hours. Am I going to charge this guy $400? I can't. This guy is responsible for, can't even put a number on how much money I've gained through just the projects he's given me and all the revenue that I've earned by posting those projects on social media. I know it's gonna ruffle some feathers, but it's only be like 250 bucks for 4 hours. Of course, I gotta drive home. I still gotta drop this off, so it'll probably be 4.5 hours. But when YouTube's gone and there's no affiliates and there's no sponsorships, I will still be doing this. So I have to make sure that I take care of that network. And they take care of me. It's so weird. I'm getting into the ritzy part of town. I think I actually worked on that house. But yeah, this is getting into the ritzy old part of town. Ritzy, man, that's a nice house. Beautiful. Ooh. All right. So yeah, 250 bucks. And then when I go back, it'll probably be another 250 bucks. So 500 bucks for a day for this customer. I know it's not the $1,000 a day that I've said I've made in the past, but it's a different customer. There's a certain price for every customer. Goodbye.